So with these increases, in round 2, okay, you're basically going to do 2 stitches in every stitch around. In round 3, you're going to do 2 stitches in every other stitch. In round 4, you're going to do 2 stitches in every second stitch. So it just, you decrease the amount of increases that you do every row to increase this diameter. So my first place I'm going to put a stitch is right here. So this is my essentially first increase row. So I'm going to put 2 stitches in each of the stitches around. So I have 10 stitches. That means I'm going to go to 20 stitches. So I'm going to do 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets in the same stitch. Here's my next stitch. I'm going to put 2 double crochets in there. So here's 1, 2. Sorry. There's my next stitch. 1, 2. Watching my phone and not watching my work here. 2. So far I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to continue doing 2 double crochets in every stitch around. And this is going to make the overall diameter of this circle bigger, and you're going to have double the amount of stitches. So I started with 10 in round 1, and at the end of this I should have 20. For this row, I just know I have to put 2 stitches in every stitch around, so I don't particularly count until the end. And it's really important to count your stitches because this will set you up for the next increase row. Alright, so I didn't count, but it looks like I have the right amount, so now I'm going to count. So there was my chain 2 that I don't count. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, I'm going to do this again. Don't count this chain 1. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I don't put, this is where my chain 2 was, I don't put a stitch there. And again, I'm going to find the top of this chain 2 right here, and that's where I'm going to insert my hook underneath both legs of the V, grab yarn, pull through, slip stitch, chain 2. Now for this increase row, you're not going to increase in every row, you're going to increase in every other row. So because you started with 10 stitches, every row you're going to increase 10 stitches. So we started with 10, now we have 20. At the end of this next round, you should have 30, and then 40, and so on and so forth. For an adult size hat, you're probably going to want to do 70 stitches. So I chained 2 up. I'm going to do 2 double crochets in my first stitch. And then in the next stitch, I'm just going to do 1. So it's going to go 2 double crochets, 1, and 2 double crochets, and then 1. 2 double crochets, 1, 2 double crochets, 1, 2 double crochets, 1, and I'm going to continue that pattern all the way around, and it should leave me with my last thing should be 1 double crochet because I started with 2. So let's see, let's work our way around here. Move my camera here that I'm holding in between my knees. I've never crocheted with my arms stretched out like this before. Two, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and I have 2 stitches left, 2, and then 1. So I'm going to count my stitches. So here's my chain 2 that I don't count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Perfect. So I go back, put my hook back in, find the top of that chain 2 right here, slip stitch, go underneath both legs of the V, grab the yarn, pull through, chain 2, ready for my next row. So now I have 10, 20, 30. So for this row, I'm going to do 2 double crochets in the first, then I'm going to do 1 single, 1 single, and then 2 double crochets. So instead of skipping 1 in between the doubles, I'm going to skip 2.